Hello there everybody, my name's
Ian Owen. I'm the director of One Planet Adventure in partnership with Jim Gaffney here in the forest in Llandegla. I mean, our business plan always was to open a mountain bike centre, and with being local to this area, we didn't want to do any sort of franchise. I'm sure McDonald's would work very, very well from a business point of view, but it's not close to my heart. It's not what I want out of the business, and it's not what I want to offer our guests who are coming here. We get international visitors, Holland, Germany, France, so it's nice for people to come and have a taste of what we have in the area. People always say how beautiful it is because of the fact that the heather flowers purple. We have a beekeeper who brings about 500 hives in, and the bees leave the forest to fly out onto the purple heather. They harvest the nectar from the heather, bring it back to their hives, and that is basically, on a good year, there's a possibility of having about a ton. On a bad year, when it's really, really wet, not so much. But it's nice to have a product which is a forest, truly a forest product, which is the whole ethos of what we try and do.
I had a New Year's resolution 4.5 years ago now, and I gave up using supermarkets, so I only shop from the local shops in Llangollen. At first it was quite difficult, but then you realise that what I'm actually getting is 2 to 3 times the longevity of products in the fridge. I have absolutely no waste at all, so my recycling bin is a useless object, and I try and put that into the business as much as I possibly can because I am passionate about it, how it helps the local economy and how it helps the local producers. But for example, today with the Welsh Rarebit, that's got Llangollen Dark Ale in it, which is from a brewery just at the bottom of the Horseshoe Pass. We quite often use Carrow Iall Brewery, which is over towards Llanarmon in Iall. And then Llandegla is quite famous for rosy cider, so we've got a pork dish which is using rosy cider as well. So it's nice to be able to do those things. Always we have to keep an eye on the business side of it, but it's always nice, and people do warm to the fact that stuff is being sourced so locally. Well, properly happy with that.